Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And somebody posted this picture and wanted to know how to do this. And it's kind of ironic. Over the last couple of days, I've made a lot of hexagon patterns. So grab your hexagon tool or your polygon tool, and let's get this thing out of the way. And I'm drawing it in a hairline because there's a reason for that. It'll snap to a little bit better. And I'm going to Control D and make a duplicate. And I'm going to grab that line right there and have it snap to. And because I've already done it once, it'll keep doing it. Then you need to Control D or Control G and Control D to make a duplicate of that. And then get your duplicate and have it snap right to there. And then you can keep going to your heart's content. Let's get these out of the way for a second. Let's just move this out of the way and do it again. If I hadn't had that in the way, it would have been perfect. I'm going to have to zoom in a little bit because I want to get right there to that bar. And now that I've done it, I can go more. Control D, and once you have it moved, then you can just keep going. So I made it a little bit bigger this time. Now let's zoom in here and let's convert them all to a thicker line. We're going to need to go to ungroup. Now we ought to be able to change the thickness of the line to, we're going to go, let's go 3 points in black. A little bit thicker. Let's go 8 points. That's pretty good. Now, let's actually reduce them a little bit. And I got this Nike logo off the internet, and I just traced it. It traced real well. Matter of fact, we're gonna make this a little bit smaller, just so our Nike logo will fit in there. And it does. So let's take this object, and really now my lines are a little bit too thick. So and that's because I did not have scale with object checked. If I would have had scale with object, it would have worked. I'm going to group this together, range, group, put our Nike logo inside our, and you could do this power clip, but I prefer doing this way with intersect. And there you have it, and now you just need to fill in. And this would work better if you fill it in later like I'm doing, so you just fill in every other one, kind of. You just kind of imagine which one to use and which one not to use. And really and truly, the lines aren't as thick as they were, so they actually converted them to a hairline. So let's make them 2 points now. There we go. And that might have just done the logo, but let's go a little bit thicker. Let's go 4 points. There we go. Now that was my original one. Where's the one? So that's pretty close to that one. Yep, I like it. And actually these are a little bit smaller, so you could have made more duplicates of your pentagon or your hexagon and made them a little bit smaller. But either one of them would work. It looks like a soccer ball, and I guess that's what it means by just kick it. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.